Ah, she's gonna fit beautifully.
Dang, I guess so.
Nice.
Dang, she's gonna fit better than the console. And what I could even do is use this somehow. All right, so I got some figuring and planning, but jeepers cats, that's almost like sets right there.
Because it could essentially go back a little if you needed more room for cup holders.
The handle's here though. You don't want the handle all the way back.
But I'll be using my right hand to open it.
Oh, okay. So let's see. So you're thinking somewhere there?
And that gives you a little more room.
Yep. And what about here though?
Yeah. If I use my right hand, I can reach that no problem.
Okay, let me just come up a little bit.
Remember, my shoulders work. Let's get back with Bob and see how he's doing. That's going to be amazing, babe.
Yeah, I think it is going to work fine. The water bottle fits down in there nice, and I think our cups will too. I was going to grab a cup, but I didn't. All right, guys, here it is. It's a finished product. So I built a platform that this sits on attached to the cup holders. As you can see, maybe. It goes all the way to the back of the fridge. The fridge sits on it, ties it right in. And this is all working, so the red one is right. The left one is black. They all work good. I love it. Now I can actually see it. Couldn't really see much of it when it was down below here. But yeah, there it is. Inner glory.
You even stained it?
Yep.
Beautiful. She is beautiful.
Somebody said I better. Or she was going to bite me.